Where was that other tool?
Oh, on top of Mr. B's box, not in here anymore.
Excuse me, Evan. Ow, hit my fucking ankle.
I thought that was me. I was about to say, I'm sorry. We had like 12 ratchets over here yesterday, man.
Yeah, we did. We had hella sockets as well.
Oh, yes.
Alright,
How,
wait.
how do you suppose we get these out? Use the thingy that we were using before, or?
We'll see. We'll ask.
You guys see what I did? Look, this is make sure this is in the center of the valve. You will bend the valve. Yeah. Okay, that is the biggest thing.
Alright, well, before I get started on pulling out the piston caps, what are they, rod caps? Piston rod caps? Yeah.
Yeah, those are rock caps.
I'm gonna remove this, which I believe is the water pump. Actually, no, that's the oil pump.
Yeah, that's the oil pump.
Because the pickup tube's supposed to go there, which we're missing.
I'm gonna run to the tool room and see if
We are missing oil pickup too.
Yeah.
Too big.
Water pump's right here, right?
Yeah, it looks like
right.
still too big.
Alright, lucky 8. Come on.
You're gonna be reusing the valve.
Oh yeah.
That's been numbered, ordered. If you're not reusing the valve, that's trash. And you're gonna have to have a new valve. You can't just throw valves in there. You guys know about that?
Put that on there. Sorry, loose. I think we're missing like 2 bolts too.
Make sure.
Either they're missing or they're part of the front cover assembly.
That would come out next. You replace it with a new seal. It's nothing but a fight. I don't see, like, I don't see you guys learning things out here other than you would need to replace those.
Oh, that comes off as well. Okay, well, let's just try to keep them together.
Oh, you can put it back on there.
Yeah, but the crankshaft's gonna come out.
Yeah,
I
but
mean,
it's gonna
for the
come
time
out.
being.
Yeah.
Where do these bolts go? Right here. And I guess right there.
Where are you trying to put the valve?
Same size?
Probably up here.
Oh yes, that corner of bolt. Do you remember us putting that there, or is that somebody else?
That was there before.
Okay. I was just making sure. Cause me and Rich was like, hold on, cause are those like missing bolts? Do you think
Might be because they are green.
I'm gonna weed out the green?
I wish I had earbuds right now.
Give me your
earbuds.
I took mine out. My phone is recording.
Give me your earbuds, Alyssa. I'm going to borrow your earbuds. Maybe that's why we're missing.
It's broken.
Yes, there was one that was broken.
I'm not
That was on there that was missing, and it's broken.
I
Alright.
How's this coming?
So that would be the components that are on the front. I don't believe that there's any components left on the back. We could take this off as well. I mean,
Yeah.
How you guys coming?
we're doing pretty good. We're nearly to the bare block.
Okay.
We still have this oil filter assembly on, and then
The whole rotating assembly still in, right?
Yes.
Yep. Okay. Cool. Just don't forget to document missing bolts and.
yes, sir. We're
damage
missing a
stuff.
bolt on one of these piston caps right here.
Okay, yeah, like I said, just document whatever's missing.
So that's about that. Should we take this off?
Yeah.
Let's see what the other guys did.
Don't play with me right now.
What?
What occurred? I think they took theirs off. Filter.
Assembly.
Let's see. This is where the oil filter Says 4, 5, 3. Guys, there was a Sharpie in there.
Wait, so this is where the oil filter goes?
Yeah.
Oh, that makes much more sense now. Thanks.
This is the bottom.
I know.
Yeah.
I thought oil filter was like somewhere like over here, like you know the last thing's like on it, right? It's over like here around the
Yeah.
like around there.
On a Honda Civic, you'll see it.
What do you all think? Should we remove it or no?
Yeah.
I mean, they said bare bones. They said bare bones, nothing but block love.
Alright, that's good.
That's what they said. Hey, are the bolts Nintendo?
They're 8s. I have it right here.
Say they're 8?
Yeah.
I just figured it's probably
How long? I bet there's like kind
You don't want to go finding on.
I didn't even notice that.
Listen,
Yes.
I was kind of serious though. Can I borrow your headphones?
Evan, how?
What do you mean how? I have a phone. Oh no! Dang it. Cody, you have an iPhone, right?
Yeah.
Alright, never mind.
Wait, why?
Alright,
Never mind.
I was hoping you had a Samsung or something. USB-C.
I'm sorry.
Because the new iPhone's gotta be tweaking.
He said the new iPhone's gotta be 3 years. I actually low-key want one now.
Real quick. Have you guys tried to take the housings off yet?
No, we're just missing the bolts.
So when you guys are trying to take these off, they're real hard to get off. Everybody wants to pry in here. That's fine for training purposes, but you never want to do that. So one of the best tricks I've ever learned is taking the bolts, pulling them up. Obviously, you don't want to like pinch them like right where the threads start, right? Go down here. So if you muck up a thread, it'll be really easy for you to clean that thread back up, right? Pinch the bolts.
Okay. That was a neat little trick. I love learning.
You will see people fighting with shit.
Yeah.
I gotta take these keys back. If you have questions, ask Mr. Kreider.
What? No. What did I do wrong?
Alright, well,
I've seen everybody struggle with that. That's why I wanted to get ahead of it.
Nice.
is this ours?
No. Wait. There was only one of them, right? Yeah, we have ours.
Alright. Well, let's get these
It's
pistons
been
out.
fun. You want me to hold it from the bottom just in case?
Sure, let's do the one on your side.
Okay.
I think I already broke from the blues, so I just gotta like this.
And then just suddenly just slam straight on the floor.
Where the other guys put all their pistons? Or where they put all their pistons? Alright, so that's out. I'm gonna get this out though. Alright, okay. She's gone.
Listen, can you feel it? Listen, can you feel it?
Yeah, I can. Yes,
What's up? Yeah.
You need a screwdriver?
That's cool.
You need a.
Just gotta push. There we go.
It's a boy.
Look at the little braid. That really was a boy.
It's a boy.
Friend. It's a friend.
What'd I just do
Yeah.
with that piece I had?
They
Here
do
you go, Cody.
look terrible though.
Just unscrew it and then push it out from the bottom.
Brave and catch the other baby.
Oh yeah, I am.
The next baby.
I got that.
Okay.
Center on the valve. Because if you're not centered on the valve, you can bend the valve.
She's there to catch the child when it falls.
Evan has that side. I have that side.
Oh yeah, right.
Yeah.
That side.
Oh, okay. They're numbered. That's good. That's good. That's good. Well,
Kind
some
of.
of them. Huh? Oh, wait. What?
It's just confusing. at
This says
point.
4.
Huh?
This says 4. This says 5.
Yeah, Cody, it's fine. You can keep going. She's not talking about that.
Yeah, like it's just like, did y'all not pay attention?
Yeah, people didn't like.
They didn't. The other group didn't pay attention.
Alright, come on out. Where you want to?
Zip piston.
I know you want to. A little bit more.
Which one is that one? Which number is that one?
I'm not sure. I didn't look at it here.
Where did it come from?
This one. Right here.
Oh, where's the cap you just took off?
This is my cap for that one.
Alright, put it
Where's
on.
the other bolt?
He has it in his hand.
Oh.
Can I see that?
Apparently this one's one.
Oof, these ones are kind of in there.
Might have worn
Need a
off.
breaker block?
No, it's not.
Doesn't have a number on it, guys.
A weird spot. It's like the wobble sock.
The inside, maybe? No? This one don't have nothing but that.
I hope it works. Not enough. We're gotta use one of those.
Swivel.
Swivel sockets. What is it?
This one.
What happened to that 8 mil that I had right here?
What happened to the what?
There was an 8 mil I put right here.
Right here?
No.
Oh.
So what was I looking for again? Right.
This one.
Does this make sense?
What was the number? This one.
Stand on this way. No, because they might get confused. I mean,
Wobble.
looking at it this way, right? No, it should be fine.
You can turn it like this?
No, I'm tripping it. This came from the left side.
You can do like this, like this.
I'm about to just get a piece of paper. I get what you're saying though, but just, I'm slow.
Oh, it's quarter inch.
Oh my gosh. Almost dropped your phone.
This thing stands no chance now. Okay. If only we can rotate the engine. That'd be real great. Get up on there.
I'm gonna rotate the crankshaft, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah, they haven't gotten bolts out.
All right, there we go.
I just get tired of pacing. Got it? You got a thing sailing over here. Oh, yeah, we're doing good now. The pop off.
All right. I guess it's not coming off for a little while. Fingers crossed that's loose. There we go. I'm gonna use. Let's see if this guy fits in there. Answer's no. Yeah. All right.
Careful.
You good?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Did not see
See the piece?
We're editing that out.
Yeah, I don't know why your hand wasn't right. Oh, I forgot.
What do you mean you forgot? What did you forget?
I forgot that I forgot.
What did you forget?
I forgot.
He doesn't even know.
Bro, what did you
I don't
forget?
even know what I forgot, bro. I'm tweaking, bro. I forgot I should have told her to put her hands there or some shit. This one right here, your hands right here. Once it drops, I'll have it.
We're still needing a little bit before we can drop it.
I know, I'm just cautious so I don't forget, because I'll forget real quick. I ain't gonna lie to you. It's better to know now than to forget later.
No, I just had it. Stay on that. Stay on that. Never in my life thought I'd use these sockets.
So that we all get to experience the hands-on.
Imagine doing this to your own engine.
Yeah. I'll probably finish it in like 3 days, and then reassembly like 3 days.
Give me a whole month, bro. Take
The
my
reason I'm saying it's so short because I'll probably do it all in one day. I'm not even gonna come outside. I'm not even going outside the house. I'm gonna be here. I'll be outside all day. Let's come go get some water or some shit.
Let's go with the left side.
After I get the water, I'm going right back out.
Oh God, Rachel.
Time.
This side.
So the left.
Right.
That's your right.
Left, right.
Crocodile.
It's the left. This is your right.
Okay.
Hello there, Mr. Christ.
All right, open sesame. Come on.
Give it to me. I need it.
Pause, bro.
Wait, what?
Please.
You don't gotta force it down. Run the bolts all the way down. But you
Come on, why are you still stuck on there?
Is that the right one in the right spot?
Maybe see other bolts. Yeah, that was it. Come on, please.
Oh. Oh, what?
Yes, the nigga's hand is already here. Sorry.
This one bolts.
Nigga's hand can reach all the way over here and do this one to the next.
I hope this thing just fall in my hand and like just crushing my shit, bro.
It's not that bad.
Piston ain't that heavy, but I mean, I don't know.
Where's the magnet?
I don't know.
I just saw it. Oh, they have it over there.
That's with the Yamaha head.
What did you need?
I feel like that would work. Got it.
Okay.
Pocket screwdriver.
What is the piston doing, bro?
He's over there on his table.
Thank you, Mr. Flora.
For what?
Pocket screwdriver.
Making your life easier?
It's stuck in there. Couldn't get it out.
Mr. Piston?
All right.
Mr. Piston?
Yeah, coming right out.
Okay, put your hands down there, both of them.
They're both of them.
Yeah, go ahead.
It's good.
Connecting
Who wants
knot.
to take off these next ones?
Connecting knot. Look at the connecting knot.
You know I'm doing it.
Yo, cause oh, she knows.
There you go.
Okay.
Come on, Cody. Mechanic man.
Other way.
That's what you say, right?
I know. Yeah, mechanic man.
Make it loose.
What the fuck? I'm tweaking.
All right, after a while, it's gonna be pretty much useless.
I know. I'm just trying to get it off, fucking. Oh, I might be in a predicament. Can I get it on?
Just rotate the crank. We can't really do that. There's no crank bolt.
There's always a way to rotate the crank. Which way you need to go? That way?
Yep. I mean, that's kind of why I got this wobbler right here, bro.
So will the adjustables fit over this?
So this one just came out dead.
I think. Oh man.
Get off the phone. Oh yeah, I got it.
No.
No.
So that's what you would do though. You would find something to fit over that slot, or you would have the crank bolt to be able to put back in there in the field, rotate it over so you wouldn't have to fight with that. Ideally, you'd have them all up.
I mean, we were just using like a wobble socket because these two are like in there pretty good.
Yeah. But, you know, what I'm getting at is like that's something you guys won't have to fight with in the field, right? Yeah. You'll just be able to rotate it over.
Block is kicking my ass. Move, Mr. Block. I don't like it. No, it's coming off. Come here, Mr. Cap. No?
Pull them out. See if they come loose.
Oh yeah, Mr. Cap's ready. Mr. Cap is ready. Take out Mr. Cap. And
Where's the?
hand on piston.
Why don't you push it out this time?
I just push it.
Yeah, just like. There you go. You got it.
Here, Mr. Piston. With your connecting rod. Okay.
Gotta get some force, but not that much.
Uh-huh.
You're good.
Yeah, you can push it from over here, maybe.
Kind of just like.
There you go.
Make sure you're pushing that.
Oh yeah, I fucked up.
Or you didn't fuck up, bro.
It's fine, Cody.
Yo, I hate this shit. Put my back into a weird ass situation. When I was first I fucked my back when I was fucking fixing my
This
car.
one's out.
Keep going. It's just so-
Damn, I can't see it anymore. Hold on. Oh, shit. Is it not out yet?
I be feeling good. Feels out. Close though.
Oh, see that?
It's like mid-stroke.
Mid-stroke.
Yeah. Darn. Almost got it. This nigga's mad right now. This piston connection rod.
Did you get it already?
Almost. We're good. We ate.
Alright, put that back on.
Oh, no.
Hey, Rachel, your turn.
Here.
Hello, master mechanic Rachel. Master mechanic Evan.
I'm milking this jaw, so.
Oh yeah, this one only has one.
So in the field, you would have. So.
It's on this side, right? Damn, I can't even push it.
Yo.
Don't feel it moving, nor do I want to like not leave my hand down here.
Maxed out.
It's almost out, like almost.
Yeah, I can see it. It's almost up.
Yeah, but like I want to not have my hand down here. Putting my whole entire body weight on it. Okay, it's almost out. I got stuck.
Hey, Crider, do me a favor. Check. Is it T55 agent drive or 38 drive? T55 agent. They get that
Piston, come by. Connecting rod. There we go. Piston has been excavated, yeah?
Well, the T55 is 3/8. So I assume you have H also.
Let's look at our trophy winner, yeah? Nice trophy.
Yeah, the golden 60 are happening.
Now on to the crankshaft. Catcher piston.
Okay, what's next?
Hey, boom.
Hey, look what I'm doing.
Hey, boom. Ready for the crankshaft now.
Alyssa, come on.
Do it ourselves.
Huh?
We can do it ourselves.
No.
We get these up. We take this up. And then we're good. Then we'll have a bare block.
So, real quick.
Alright, stop recording.
So you gonna stop recording?
Yes.
All right. You need to go into that phone right there.
Give it up to Alyssa.